Hey everyone, it's Lorraine, and let's be real, traveling, it's the best, right? But it can also be a total pain. That's why I'm dropping some serious travel wisdom on you. 10 hacks, straight up, that are going to change your whole travel game. We're talking about making your trip smoother, cheaper, and way more fun. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to travel like a pro. Let's do this. All right, first up, we got to talk packing cubes. These things are magic. Imagine this. You open your suitcase and bam, everything's organized. No more digging for that lost sock. Trust me, packing cubes will change your life. Forget folding, we're rolling our clothes now. This is how you fit more into your bag and keep those wrinkles at bay. Plus, it's kind of therapeutic, you know? Just roll, roll, roll. Listen up, a reusable water bottle with a filter. Airports, foreign countries, you can fill this up anywhere. Saves you money, saves the planet. It's a win-win, people. Chapter 4. Google Maps offline. Never get lost again. Data roaming charges are brutal. Download Google Maps offline before you go. No internet? No problem. You'll be navigating those back streets like a pro. Chapter 5. Untitled Portable Charger. Untitled Chapter. Your phone's lifeline. Dead phone? The ultimate travel nightmare. Get yourself a portable charger. It's a lifesaver when you're out exploring all day and need that Google Translate or that perfect Instagram shot. Chapter 6. Download entertainment. Beat boredom before it begins. Long flights are the worst, right? Download your movies, podcasts, audiobooks, whatever gets you through. Trust me, you don't want to be stuck with bad in-flight entertainment. Look, pickpockets are everywhere. A money belt is your secret weapon. It's discreet, keeps your cash, cards, passport safe and sound under your clothes. Peace of mind is priceless. Listen, accidents happen. A small first aid kit takes up like no space and can be a lifesaver for those little mishaps. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers. Be prepared. A scarf or sarong. It's not just a fashion statement, people. It's a blanket, a pillow, a cover-up, a towel. Seriously, this thing does it all. Pack light, pack smart. Lose your passport? It's a traveler's worst nightmare. Take photos of all your important documents, passport, ID, itinerary. If you lose them, having digital copies makes everything way easier. All right, there you have it. 10 travel hacks that are going to change the way you travel. Remember, preparation is key. Pack smart, stay safe, and most importantly, have an amazing time. I'm out. Thanks for watching. I hope these travel hacks make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.